Hello guys, welcome to Team Village channel, and in this video I will show you how you can set custom voicemail notification sounds in Samsung Galaxy F12. So before diving into this video, if you are new to this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more latest videos. So to change or set custom voicemail notification sounds in Samsung Galaxy F12, first of all you just need to go to call settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. So just open call settings